Although Kansas City is most recognized as the barbecue capital of the world, the city of Fountains is also home to some of the best authentic Mexican food in the Midwest. So we set out to find the best places for tacos in KC, and these are our top 3 picks. We began our tour at Los Alamos Market y Cocina. Stepping into Los Alamos is like stepping into a little piece of Mexico here in Kansas. Piñatas pack the ceiling, Mexican drinks stock the shelves, and the aromas of spices fill the air. But we're here to enjoy some authentic street tacos, not the aesthetics. Now what really makes these tacos special are their freshly made hard shells. And although hard shell tacos aren't truly authentic, these ones are too good to be picky. The crispness of the shells contrasts perfectly with the tender meat. And speaking of which, all of their meats are cooked low and slow in chili sauces, and the result is a rich and juicy filling. Next on our taco tour was El Camino Real, my personal favorite. On the outside, El Camino Real is a modest run-of-the-mill taco joint. On the inside, an open kitchen where tortillas are made from scratch, adorned by a tower of spit-roasted meat will tell you otherwise. Aside from the authentic carne al pastor on a spit, what sets apart El Camino Real from the rest is their salsa and cheese. Chips and salsa are customary with each meal, and the spicy salsa serves as a perfect addition to your tacos. That, of course, and their signature cheese. While Los Alamos serves cheese with their street tacos as well, the cheese from El Camino Real has a much sharper flavor. The final stop on our tour was Dos de Oros Taqueria. Although nestled a bit further south in Martin City, it's well worth the drive. What makes Dos de Oros unique is their collection of sauces and salsas. While El Camino Real sets themselves apart with one salsa, Dos de Oros does it with about 10. The sauces and salsas add a different dimension of flavor to the standard street taco. The result is each taco tastes specially made for you. Not only have their tacos stolen our hearts, but so has their ice cream. These 3 places all set the bar for what a street taco should be. But most importantly, they're all authentic. The food is true to Mexico. The meats like barbacoa, asada, and even beef tongue are all the true types of meat filled in real tacos. And best of all, they're cheap. These tacos run you no more than $2 per taco and stuff you in just 3 to 4. Your lunch runs you about $7 from place to place, and it's incredible. For my co-reporter Will Tulp, this has been Dalton Reck of the Shawnee Mission East Harbinger.